Here's my beautiful kettle. I had an old one which was already here and it was corroded and broken down. Couldn't use it anymore, and so I got a new one, which is also a used one, an old one. I think they don't make these anymore nowadays, I don't know. But I got it from a couple of villages further for 100 euros. 100 euros, and I'm using it to make potatoes for the pigs. See, 150 liters of potatoes. Gonna cook them here. I'm also feeding them raw, but I think they're not so healthy feeding them raw all the time. So I cook them, and then I also sometimes mix them with grains. I think you have to fire it up a little bit more. That's better. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you my beautiful kettle, which is